What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a banned WhatsApp number on your Android phone. Experiencing a ban on your WhatsApp account can be alarming, especially if you rely on the app for daily communications. If you believe your number was banned by mistake, there's no need to panic. The first step towards resolving this issue is to contact WhatsApp support directly at whatsapp.com/contact. Once you're on the page, it's important to identify which version of WhatsApp you're using, whether it's the standard version or the WhatsApp business version, as the support process may vary slightly between the two. Look for the Contact Us section next to the version of WhatsApp you're using and tap on it. This will direct you to a page where you'll be asked to fill in various details. Start by entering your banned phone number, selecting your phone platform, Android in this case, and providing your email address. The most critical part in this process is the description box. Here, you should explain in as much detail as possible the issue you're facing with your banned account. Be clear and concise, mentioning that you believe the ban was a mistake and request a review of your account. After you've filled in all the necessary details, tap on Next and follow the prompts to send your message to the WhatsApp support team. Remember, the support team deals with a large volume of queries, so response times may vary. By following these steps, you're taking the right approach to getting your WhatsApp account unbanned. It's important to adhere to WhatsApp's terms of service in the future to avoid facing similar issues. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.